Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Cardano from Trezor Wallet to Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're looking to switch up your hardware wallets for better security or just diversify, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your ADA in no time. Let's get started. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have both your Trezor and Ledger Nano X wallets set up and updated to the latest firmware. You'll also need some Cardano, ADA, in your Trezor wallet and a stable internet connection. Security is key in crypto, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Unlock your Trezor wallet using your PIN and connect it to your computer via USB. Open the Trezor Suite app and navigate to your Cardano wallet. Here, you'll see your ADA balance. Take a moment to confirm it's what you expect. Next, on your Ledger Nano X, make sure the Cardano app is installed. If not, use the Ledger Live app on your computer to install it quickly. Once that's done, connect your Ledger Nano X and open the Cardano app. Generate a receive address by going to the Receive section. This is where your ADA will land. Now, back in Trezor Suite, select the Send option in your Cardano wallet. Enter the receive address from your Ledger Nano X. Specify the amount of ADA you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Before confirming, review all details carefully. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you're good, hit send and approve the transaction on your Trezor device. You'll need to confirm it with your PIN and possibly a second factor for extra security. Sit tight while the blockchain processes your transfer. This usually takes a few minutes, but in 2025, with Cardano's improvements, it should be faster than ever. Once confirmed, check your Ledger Nano X balance to ensure everything's arrived safely. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Cardano from Trezor to Ledger Nano X. If you run into any issues, like address errors or delays, always refer to official docs or reach out to community forums. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.